shit. This guy just pulled over something. Alright boys, let's get up out of here. We back with another video. Today we're in Santa Monica. We're doing a POV nighttime drive. We're doing a POV nighttime drive. Oh shit, they're honking. We're doing a POV nighttime drive in my 2015 S550. I'm using my 360 camera. I got it set up on my sunroof. So yeah, I think we're chilling. Hopefully the angle is good. Alright, I think we're good. These are all the colors that's available in the 2015 S550. You got this like pink looking color, and then this red, and then this one right here, orange. This white one, other one. Oh shit. I think my favorite is like blue or purple. Maybe blue because it's brighter. And then also this like pink one is cool. And red. Oh shit, I did not see him cross the street. What the hell? And if you double tap on the brakes, they'll actively hold them, so you don't gotta press it. Which is pretty cool. And then as soon as you press on the gas, it disengages the brakes, so you don't gotta worry about it. Why the hell did he come to a stop? Wait, a lot of people ask me about the reliability on these cars. All I'm gonna say is, you're not buying an S-Class for its reliability. You're buying it because it looks sick and it rides pretty good. So if you want a really reliable car, don't get an S-Class, obviously. And then my TPMS light just came on. I have aftermarket rims. But yeah, like I was saying, these cars aren't the most reliable. So you gotta get ready for like some coolant issues, like cooling lines and stuff, because they're made out of plastic. So you do have to replace those every now and then. And then what else? Maybe like misfires, like spark plugs and ignition coils. But that's normal for any car. Those are like the main issues that I've had with the car so far. Just cooling line issues going bad, and then a misfire. It's pretty normal. So nothing too crazy. But yeah, like don't expect this car to be like as reliable as a Honda, because it's not. That's not gonna be that like, at all. And it wastes a lot of gas, so be ready to waste like hundreds of dollars each month on just gas, bro. Not even like counting random shit that breaks. Another thing that broke on my car was my this like window control module, the one down here, the one that controls the windows. The button right here for the rear window, this one right here, it just stopped working. So I had to replace the module. That wasn't too hard to do. It took me like 3 minutes. It's just plug and play. But other than that, the car's been pretty good. Oh damn, there's two cops right here. Hello, officers. Alright, we're good. Oh shit. This guy just pulled over something.
Good man, yeah, thank you. Yeah, they got the blue man, he's in there, they got the burgundy jacket.
Oh no, where am I going? Guys, check out the sunset. That shit looks crazy. Y'all see that? Damn. This is why LA is the best. You don't get this over in NorCal or anywhere else. That view is crazy, bro. Alright, let's get out of here before it gets too dark and I can't see shit.